pharyngeal isthmus. We just revise the boundaries that above there is soft palate, below there is the tongue, on the sides there are presence of the important two folds are there. One in relation to the tongue, that is the palatoglossal fold, the second fold, that is the palatopharyngeal fold. In between there is lymphoid tissue which is lined by the mucous membrane, we call it is the palatine tonsil. There are many tonsils. There is like in relation to the tongue, there are presence of the smaller one. These are the lingual tonsils. Once you comes more deep, there are presence to the cerebellum, but here it is not the collection of lymphoid tissue, it is the collection of the nervous tissue. So what happened during the process of swallowing, during this the process of the deglutition, what happened? The food bolus once comes into the oropharynx, there is sucking down the mouth by the approximation of this palatoglossal arches. So it separates the oral cavity from the oropharynx, and this is the most important in the stage of deglutition. So this is about the boundaries. Now the most important in relation to this today's topic, and this is you have to study in detail about the structure, the parts, and the time of eruption of the tooth. The tooth, what is this? It is same like the bone, it is the mineralized structure which are fixed into the alveolar process. In relation to the tooth, you have to remember the two words. What is the meaning of diphyodont? What is the meaning of polyphyodont? See, in the human life, the dentition is possible. In person's life, the dentition is possible only 2 times. So, human being, you can say they are diphyodont. But in the vertebrates, non-mammals, the dentition is possible frequently throughout its lifetime, and that the non-mammal vertebrates, we use the word, they are polyphyodont. So in the human beings, the 2 times the possible of dentition after birth. The first time dentition is, and we call that is the milk teeth, or the second one, that is the deciduous teeth. After that, the second dentition, and this is the permanent teeth. If we see about the milk teeth, suppose this is the upper jaw, lower jaw, so how many and which are the tooth present in the decidual dentition? So, in the upper jaw, each side, incisor, these are 2 incisor on the sides, then there is presence of 1 canine, then there is premolar, no premolar are there in decidual teeth, then molar teeth, these are 2 in number. So same, there is presence in the lower jaw also. In case of the permanent teeth, the number of teeth in the upper jaw, same as the lower jaw. Whatever the incisor teeth, these are each side 2 in number, then canine, both the sides 1, then there is presence of premolar and the molar teeth, these are 3 in number, same in the lower jaw. So you can say the milk tooth, these are 20 in number. Anterior teeth. One word you have to remember, what is the anterior teeth, what is posterior teeth. Anterior teeth, the teeth, the incisors and canine, these are called anterior teeth, while premolar, molar, these are the posterior teeth. Now the time of eruption of the residual teeth and permanent teeth. In both, the number will be start with the 6, like in the deciduals, the first dentition, which is start from the 6th month, then 7 month, 8 to 9 month, 1 year, there is the 18 month and the second year. Which are the teeth erupt? The time of 6 months, first there is, see the manner of dentition is like that lower jaw, there is dentition is slightly earlier than upper jaw. So at the time of the first eruption, at the time of 6 months, there is appearance of the lower central incisors. Then at the time of 7 months, there is the upper central incisor. At the month of 8 to 9 months, both upper jaw, lower jaw, there is appearance of the lateral incisors. The first year, there is the first molar. 18 months, the time of closure of the anterior frontanale is closed. At the same time, there is appearance of canine. Second year, there is appearance of the second molar. About the permanent teeth, which is start from the 6th year, then 7 year, then there is 8 year, 9 year, 10 year, 11, 12, 17 to 25 years of age. At the time of 6th year, there is appearance of the first dentition, that is the appearance of the first molar. Then 7 year, there is appearance of the central incisor. Then 8 year, there is appearance of lateral incisors. At the 9 year, there is the first premolar. The second premolar at the age of 10 years. At the 11th year, there is appearance, it is the canine. Then at the time of 12 years, there is the second molar. 17 and 25 years may be late, there is appearance of the third molar, that is the wisdom tooth.